Hello friends, now we find the polar equation of that circle which is passing through the pole and whose center lies on the initial line. अब हम उस सर्किल की पोलर इक्वेशन फाइंड करेंगे जिसका सेंटर इनिशियल लाइन पर लाई करता है और जो सर्किल पोल से पास होता है. नाउ लेट O be the pole and OX be the initial line. OX be the initial line. Let us suppose that O be the pole and OX be the initial line. Let C be the center of the circle lies on the initial line and passing through the pole. Suppose that this is the circle whose center lies on the initial line and passing through the pole. We know that if center is r1 comma theta 1 and radius is a, then equation of circle is r square minus 2 r1 r cos theta minus theta 1 plus r1 square minus a1 square is equal to 0. We know that if the circle has center C r1 comma theta 1 and OX is the initial line and this is the pole and this is theta 1, so equation of this circle can be written as r square minus 2 r1 r cos theta minus theta 1 plus r1 square minus a square इक्वल टू 0. अगर एक सर्किल हम लें जिसका सेंटर r1 कामा थीटा 1 पर हो और तो उस सर्किल की इक्वेशन होती है r स्क्वायर माइनस 2 r1 r cos थीटा माइनस थीटा 1 प्लस r1 माइनस a स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्किल whose center at r1 comma theta 1 and the radius of this circle is small a. If center lies on initial line, then r1 is equal to a and theta 1 is equal to 0. When we put r1 is equal to a and theta 1 is equal to 0 in above equation of circle, then equation reduces r square minus 2ar cos theta minus 0 plus a square minus a square equal to 0. So this can be written as r square minus 2ar cos theta is equal to 0. Taking common r here, we get r minus 2a cos theta is equal to 0. R is the radius vector, so it can never be 0. So r minus 2a cos theta is equal to 0. So r is equal to 2a cos theta. This is the equation of that circle whose center lies on the initial line and passing through the pole. ये उस सर्किल की इक्वेशन है जिसका सेंटर इनिशियल लाइन पर लाई करता है और जो पोल O से पास होती है. तो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं कि हम उस सर्किल का इक्वेशन लिखते हैं जिसका सेंटर r1 कामा थीटा 1 पर है और रेडियस स्मॉल a है. उसकी इक्वेशन r स्क्वायर माइनस 2 r1 r cos थीटा माइनस थीटा 1 प्लस r1 स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. अगर इस सर्किल का सेंटर ये इनिशियल लाइन पे लाई करेगा so r1 becomes small a and theta 1 becomes 0. If center of this circle lies on initial line, then theta 1 becomes 0 because this OC moves to OX, then theta 1 becomes 0. and if this circle passes through the pole, this radius vector r1 becomes equal to the radius of the circle. So in place of r1 we put here a, and in place of theta 1 we put here 0. We get the equation of that circle whose center lies on initial line and passing through the pole. Now we convert this equation in Cartesian form. Since this is the equation of the circle, r is equal to 2a cos theta. When we multiply r both sides, we get here r square equal to 2ar cos theta. We know that r square, this is equal to x square plus y square, and we know that r cos theta, this is equal to x. So this can be written as x square minus 2ax plus y square is equal to 0. Now we adding both the sides a square, these three terms can be written as x minus a whole square, and this y square can be written as y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square. So this is the equation of, this is equation of circle in Cartesian form whose center is a comma 0 and radius is small a. So when center lies on the initial line and radius is small a, so the polar equation of circle can be written as r is equal to 2a cos theta. Thank you.